there is a level that precedes the infinite. The infinite is level 8, or het. And there's a level that precedes that, which is 9, or the letter tet. Even the letters are very similar. You know, het is 418 and tet is 419. And they go together in the word het, meaning like missing the mark or sin. Anyway, this level that precedes the infinite is the letter 9, the day before before Yom HaKippurim, the day, the 9th day, which means the day that if you eat and drink on the 9th day, it's as if you eat and drink on the 9th day, and then fast on the 10th day. It's as if you ate and drank, as if you fasted for 2 days. This level is also shown on the 14th of Nisan, on the Yom Rishon, before Pesach, before the 15th. And the point is, this is also shown, this Yom Rishon, this level of the Pesach lamb, which is done with a head between the legs, in a samak, which is also like a tet. And this 14th level is shown even more specifically in the 14th of Iyar, which is Pesach Sheni. And then after Pesach Sheni, there is no 7 days of Pesach. Pesach Sheni represents the Yom Rishon. It's the level before the infinite, before Yom HaKippurim and Pesach. And remember, the Talmudic Pesachim is that there are 2 Pesachs, which there are. There's Pesach and Pesach Sheni, and that's why the Talmudic trade is called Pesachim, and not Pesach. It's in the plural. And this level of 9, I have to look at, this is what it came to me this morning, is for me, the law of eternal return of the same. It's before the infinite. It precedes, it's the consciousness before the infinite. And everything, when you think about it, is one day, the return of one day. I sleep, I eat, I wash, I work, I read, I think I'm elevating, and I am, but it's all one day. When I go to sleep, I die, I get reborn, it's all one day. And you do go up in different levels, but it's a return of the same. And then you can actualize within these levels. But the eternal return of the same is shown to me before the infinite. It's like a 0 level compared to a 1. See? Which is shown as the 9 in the 10, because the eternal return of the same is shown by the number 9. You see? It's the divisors of the number 9. I mean, well, 3 times 3, I don't mean that, but, you know, when you divide by 9, you always get a remainder, and then it goes back to 1. Well, you know what I mean. So I have to start analyzing about 9. I think there are like 9 shofar blasts in a unit or something like that. We'll look it up. But the number 9 is open to the top, which is slightly different than the samak. And they both relate to the same thing with the 69. You see? or even the sign for Pisces, or in 69 as a ultimate sexuality. You see, the ultimate sexuality is 69, mouth to organ, which is shown in the Pesach lamb itself as a single unit. But when you split it into man, woman, it's 69. And that's what the deal is.